Daddy.
Hello. How you doing, daughter? You want to be part of my show?
Yeah.
Okay. We just want to thank the YouTube community for our 20 subscribers. Actually 21. We reached over 20 subscribers here at Clicked Up TV, and I just want to thank you. And I know I haven't been dropping content back to back. I do want to drop content back to back, but as you see, I got 3 of these right here, different ages. You know, how old are you?
3 seconds.
How old are you?
1.
Well, she thinks she's 1, but she's 2 going on 3. And I have one just actually turned 7 today, and another one that's going on 6 in June. So I got a lot of material that I have wrote. My step is to figure out the topic that I want to provide to you guys. Write the topic as much details as I can. I'm trying to make them longer, trying to get to that 30-minute mark. I know some of them are averaging 8 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm trying to get to that 30-minute mark to captivate more subscribers on this Clicked Up TV page. But like I said, I got a lot of material written. I just haven't did any visuals to the material. You know, editing, even if it's a 5-minute piece, 10-minute piece, that could take 4 or 5 hours minimum. So just imagine when you make the material longer. Ain't that right? Don't you keep Daddy busy? So she keep me busy. Her brothers keep me busy. And I'm trying to do this as a hobby. I like doing this. I want to get back to utilizing my laptop, get back into photography. I used to take a lot of pictures when I was young for the family and everything, you know, capturing memories throughout the years. And I want to start back doing that. And now that I got my own family here, my own kids, you know, so, you know, pardon me for taking so long to drop content. But I'm going to be back at you guys sooner than later. Say, stay clicked up to Clicked Up TV.
Click Up TV.
Clicked Up TV. You heard it, in a place to be. So, thank you, you guys. All 21 of you guys, thank you for subscribing. Peace. We're out. Say, I'm out. Say, you out. Say, I'm out, everybody. Say, bye.
Bye.
Bye.